Hello students, Assalamu alaikum. How are you? I hope all of you are fine and in a good mood. I am your maths teacher and today we are going to start our first lecture on mathematics. Now, I hope that all of you have new books and notebooks. Now we are going to show the book of your class 6, that is mathematics textbook for grade 6, and the authors of this book are Professor Azazali, Mr. Abdul Rauf Jamil, Professor Muhammad Aslam, Professor Shakil Ahmad, Professor Shaukat Qadir. Now we discuss the course contents for midterm session 2021 to 22. So chapter and chapter names are given here. Chapter 1 we will discuss inshallah set, that is exercises included are exercise 1.1, 1.2 plus objectives. What is set? A set is a collection of well defined and distinct objects. We will discuss it when we start the unit 1. Chapter 2 whole numbers. Whole numbers are those numbers which are starting from 0, and exercise 2.1, 2.2, 2.3 plus objectives are included. Now chapter 5 simplification. What does simplification mean? Simplification means that when we simplify the things, or in mathematics when we do cutting, so that is called simplification. In this exercise 5.1, 5.2, 5.3 plus objectives are included. Now algebra. In algebra, what we do, what is coming in your mind from algebra? So first we study that what is algebra. It is a branch of mathematics that deals with symbols and signs to show the quantities of unknown things, and the symbols are used in the form of English small alphabets. Clear? We will discuss inshallah when we start unit 8. And algebraic expression exercises are 8.1, 8.2, 8.3, 8.4 plus objectives. Next is geometry. In class 5th you have also done definition of geometry, that geo mean earth and metry mean measurement, but you have also done this definition that it is also a branch of mathematics that deals with measurement and relationships of line, angle, surface and solids. Now in geometry we will do definition, draw angles with the help of compass, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree, 75 degree, 90 degree and 105 degree. Okay, when we draw angle with the help of protractor, so that is easy. We simply put the protractor and draw angle with the help of protractor, and on protractor we have the idea that on left here are down values and on right there are up values. We count up values and on left we count down values. So on compass, which one angles we draw which are divisible by 3? Here you have given 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree, 75 degree, 90 degree, 105 degree. So all that are divisible by 3. So by compass we make which one angle which are divisible by 3. Now chapter 10 construction of triangle according to sides, angles. In this exercise 10.3 plus oral tables 2 to 14 are included. Now we are going to start our unit first, that is sets. What is coming in your mind about sets? So here is also learning objectives, that what we will do in this chapter. So the learning objective of this chapter is that when we mean a collection or a grouping of things, for example we speak of a herd of cattle, a stamp collection, and a set of dishes. And in real life we can simple say that furniture set, dinner set, water set, and in mathematics we use the word set to refer to any collection of objects. So a collection of book is an example of a set. If we take books, collection of books, so it is also an example of a set. Now we are going to discuss the definition of set. So a set is a collection of well-defined and distinct objects. You clearly see that here are two words used in the set definition. First is well-defined and second is distinct object. Well-defined means that the set should be clearly defined, and distinct objects mean that the elements of sets are different from one another or each other. How can we take this definition in our mind and how can we relate it with real life? For example, if I am saying that students of class 6th or students of grade 6 are set of students of grade 6, so what is coming in your mind? Students of class 6th is well defined because all of the students are belong to class 6th. And distinct objects means that all the students of class 6 are differ from one another, means that they are different from one another according to their face, according to their height, according to their weight, etc. Clear? So in set definition here we have two words, well defined and distinct. Now it is clear to you that what does mean by well defined and what does mean by distinct objects. Now the objects are called its elements and members. Now we, for example, first we have n is equal to set of first 10 natural numbers. In mathematics we have first 10 natural numbers. So first 10 natural numbers are 1, 2, 3 up to 10. Second is W is equal to set of first 20 whole numbers. So whole numbers are those which are starting from 0. So first 20 whole numbers are starting from 0 and ends till 19, means that they are starting from 0 towards 19. When we start from 0, so we cannot end towards 20, because if we take 20, so it becomes 21 numbers. Clear? Now set notation. Set notation means that set representation. How can set be represented? Set is denoted by capital letter and the elements of set are separated by commas, and brackets are used for enclosing the elements of the set. So it is clear that a set is represented by a capital letter and the elements of a set are separated by commas, and the elements of set should be written in small letters. Clear? Now in the example you clearly see that A, B, C, D up to X, Y, Z. So this is the set of English alphabets. Clear? This is the set of English alphabets. In the second example you have given some shapes and you clearly see that the shapes are different from one another. And second, here are some numbers and numbers are also different from one another. In the third you have given picture of some animals and animals are also different from one another. And in the fourth you have given some flowers and they are also differ from one another. Now I hope that you all understand it clearly, and we will discuss inshallah it in the next class in the previous knowledge, and for today it is enough. Clear? So for the next class, Allah Hafiz.